Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Coastal Palms Inn and Suites. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, family rooms and a bar. In North Ocean City, this Oceanside hotel is less than a 5-minute walk to the beach. Guests at the Coastal Palms Inn and Suites can enjoy crab cake and other seafood options at the on-site restaurant Crabcake Factory U.S.A. The rooms include a flat-screen TV, refrigerator and sitting area with a sofa bed. Some rooms also feature a balcony with views of the ocean. Guests at the Coastal Palms can swim in the outdoor pool or access free Wi-Fi. Fishing and kayaking at Fenwick Island State Park is a 10-minute drive from Delaware, and Jolly Roger Amusement Park is a 10-minute drive south along Coastal Highway. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.